Yay! We're done with the group 3 letter sounds and you did so well. Let's review them. We have G, O, B. Very good. We have a new sound challenge this week. It is called Odd One Out. So you'll see 4 pictures and the letter sound in the middle. I am not going to say anything. You look at the pictures, say the word, listen to the sound, and choose which word does not belong. You have 5 seconds, as usual, to think about the picture that does not belong. After 5 seconds, the picture that does not belong will glow. Okay? Ready? Let's do this! You are awesome. You got all the answers right and you remember all the letter sounds. That means you are ready for group 4. Okay? So don't forget, like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in the next letter.